You have numbers cases, you have strategy cases, you have cases where they're asking you to make a decision on the spot, which is like commit to one kind of solution. It may not be a very obvious solution in general, but तुमसे एक opinion पूछ रहे हैं, so they're just looking at how willing you are to kind of go out and take a stand. Then you have guesstimate cases, which is where you have to come up with numbers. So I guess EXL काफी guesstimate ही था.
मेरे से पूछ रहे हो guesstimate.
Guesstimate होता ही है in general. They consider it to be an important thing because they want to see कि अब तुम मेरे सामने बैठ के अगर multiply कर रहे हो, ठीक है? I am the interviewer. You are a terrified kid. It's always going to be like you will make mistakes, and they want to see if you're doing that. If you're doing that, तुम संभाल कैसे रहे हो? क्या scene है? How bad are you at math in general? They want to know those kind of things. So preparation helps. For some people it will be कि अब मैं EXL shortlist हुआ था, I didn't have a single other consulting firm shortlist, तो केस करे ही नहीं थे पहले, मतलब खाली दूसरे लोग कर रहे तो बकर में I used to go and kind of sit with them, but it was never like I had physically taken a lot of effort and done cases, so that was a kind of a problem thing. It was just because I was number 3-4 on the interviewing list कि जब 1-2 बाहर निकले थे तो मेरे को केस पता लग गया क्या पूछ रहा है. I called up a guy who Abhilash only, the fellow who kind of he sat for BCG ये वो, तो I called him and I told him भाई solve this case. So then he kept telling me कि हाँ ask about this, which is where I realized कि हाँ यार you have to actually be very cumulative in your approach. And then when I went inside, of course I got a different case, but that helped a lot. In a sense, I still did manage to screw up, but my interviewer just had to kind of prompt me once and I got what he was trying to say, which is important because in any case interview, they will always drop clues, okay? As an interviewer, he's just going to ask you stuff like, do you really think that's important? Which would mean that you just said something very dumb, kind of don't go into that further and start off on a different line. So they have very subtle ways of indicating these things to you. If you don't pick it up, then they're going to have an issue with you. If you pick it up, तो बहुत peace है. Making a mistake is never an issue. It's just that when they tell you you've made that mistake, you should be alert enough to figure it out and kind of move on from there. In a case interview, उतना ही होता है.
I'd also like to talk about CAP1 case interview. I mean, there's no one here from CAP1. So I was shortlisted there. So what happened? There was first a maths quant test, out of which they shortlisted around some 45 people. But CAP1 is one company that is, I'd say, is quite unfair in the selection process.
On camera.
They have already made, somehow before the interviews, they already knew, okay, we have to select these people. So if you're fortunate enough to be among those people, so their case interview will more or less based on quant cases, it will be quant case, and simple business problems dealing with credit cards. That's what their case interview will be about, in case if anyone of you get the opportunity.
हाँ, MX जैसी जगह अगर shortlist होते हैं American Express, they are again going to be asking you a lot about the entire credit card business. क्या होता है, कौन player है? They'll ask you stuff like अच्छा ठीक है तुम्हें X promo scheme करना है तो क्या करोगे? अगर customer set तुम्हें बढ़ानी है क्या करोगे? मैं तुम्हें physical sales करने भेज देता हूँ क्या करोगे?
Default line क्या होती है? उसमें मेरा कट गया शायद से.
भाई
पूछ रहा था तो मैं बता रहा हूँ कि इसे मत कटवाना.
This time also some companies were having the interview in Hindi only, like for American Express, I guess.
American Express बहुत छटवाया था. Literally ऐसे ही था. The thing is, वो गुड़गांव वाला था and he was very properly मतलब गुड़गांव के रास्ते वाला छाप था. Exactly जट होती. तो वो proper हिंदी में ले रहा था कि हाँ बेटे बैठ जा बता ये बता. It was like that. So you just gauge the mood of the interviewer and do it accordingly. If you are comfortable in Hindi in general, so it's advisable if you feel it's possible, if you are getting that vibe, तो English plus हिंदी कर लो बीच में कहीं, वो कुछ रिएक्शन देता है क्या देखो, अगर नहीं देता तो बहुत पीस है, फिर इंग्लिश हिंदी करो, ठीक है, just simple as that.
But in case of consulting, go
हाँ,
always for
अगर कोई
English.
फॉर्मल सा बंदा है ना कि वो भी सूट पहन के आया, मतलब गजब टाइप से बैठा है, तो then don't do it obviously, मतलब वो take a call.
Opera का selection वाला on the basis of CV. So what do you
Consulting.
look for other than
Consulting
CG?
Other than CG, okay. So
तो नाम पता चला.
So what they look for, actually last year I attended BCG workshop and there was this term which became very common, spike. So this is what I'm going to say. They always look for a spike, some sort of spike. So if you have really good internships somehow like ITC or Barcaps, both of them, then you're bound to get
अगर ITC
shortlisted.
Barcap या तो intern है या फिर
Or if you have like
तुम्हारा
one
लग
of the
गया
best
off,
few
हाँ.
are, you're bound to get selected irrespective of CG even if you're lower at certain point I'd say. Or in something in which you really excel. And entrepreneurial activity was considered negative this year for BCG and other consulting companies, so you have to take note of it. If you have done any entrepreneurial venture in the recent past, I'd advise hide it in your CV.
नहीं but last year वही काम
Last year अच्छा था, इस बार negative था. So
Last year
Maybe it's all about the
McKinsey
luck.
में
So-
ये हुआ था last year तो.
I'm just telling the fact, इस बार negative था. I don't know about the next year. Play safe. That's all I'm gonna say. If you can highlight it in a better way, which I did, it worked for me. So वैसा कुछ करो. और कुछ एक चीज ऐसे इसमें you are really excelling, you'll be shortlisted.
कुछ भी
ऐसा नहीं है कुछ.
नहीं तो क्या बोलना क्या था मैं ये बोल
मैं बता दूँ intern, acats,
एक्स्ट्रा एकेट्स में कुछ भी तो अगर अच्छा है
intern acats और PR.
रिलेटेड टू द कंपनी
हाँ ना बहुत बीस है बहुत बीस है
बता रहा हूँ PR हो गया, internship हो गया, academics हो गया, इस टाइप का कुछ. Something that is
ये कहना चाह रहा है कि मतलब अगर मैंने क्ले मॉडलिंग किया लेकिन रिजल्ट तो क्ले मॉडलिंग करता
हाँ,
तो इज इट ओके फॉर अ कंसल्टिंग फर्म
Of
इट्स
course.
परफेक्टली ओके कुछ एक चीज होना चाहिए which you are
But then you
very
can highlight it as a main point in your CV if you don't have acats. Then.
BCG में ये भी फंडा दिया था कि like 1/3 of your CV should be the main point. वो एक पॉइंट जैसे तुमने बोला कोई भी मेन पॉइंट है स्पोर्ट्स ऐसे केस में तो सर 1/3 तो स्पोर्ट्स होता होगा आई गेस आधे से ज़्यादा तो दिस शुड बी द मेन पॉइंट लेकिन जैसे वो देखेंगे अगर सीवी देन दे शुड ओनली फोकस ऑन दैट उसके बाद क्योंकि वो ऐसा पॉइंट है यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लेन एनीथिंग यू वांट और एनीथिंग द इंटरव्यू वांट और उसके बाद ऐसा होगा कि उसके बाद 30 मिनट तो हो ही जाएंगे एंड यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद 10 मिनट्स और 15 मिनट मैक्सिमम फॉर द इंटरव्यू एंड बाकी चीज़ों पर फोकस करना इज फाइन यू कैन कंट्रोल दैट CV, when they're shortlisting the CV, then also they pay more attention to what's your main point, what's your spike.
Yeah, good.
This is common in consulting companies. For technical, it's totally different.
something about GD
Many things about GD.
this is
Every company has a different type of GD actually. So there's no one common funder for GD. If you're sitting for an ITC GD, it will be different. Transocean GD was something that we all actually admired. It was the best GD that we gave.
The
that
worst
was because the
GD
G was the best
And the slums
It's
was
the worst
GD. Is the worst GD what I say.
I mean,
It is a pure मच्छी बाजार.
Yes.
slums में होता है. 8 लोग बैठे आते हैं सब वही गांव वाले बस चालू करो.
8 लोग
12 लोग और ज़्यादा.
और एक टाइम में around 6 people will be speaking at one time and they'll be discussing the different points.
And topic will be completely abstract. Like I'll tell you a case. There was a topic called blue last year. So one person was entirely silent all the time. And when the Schlumberger guy said, "Okay, time's up," he just said one thing.
Just said.
Schlumberger's logo is blue, and he made it to Schlumberger. So it's all random with Schlumberger. It's all random there.
And this time also the topics were totally like abrupt. Like my topics was G, only capital G. I was
He was quite happy.
having 2 points in mind, but I बोला तो नहीं लेकिन नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला.
हाँ तो मतलब it's like that is the only company where inside the GD itself your topic changes ठीक है they want it to be a मच्छी बाजार उनको चाहिए वो तो it's like they will sit with a whiteboard in the room हमारा ऐसे चालू हुआ था कि पहले C लिख दिया वो बोला बको ठीक है हम बके थोड़ी देर फिर बाद में वो क्या किया कि आगे 2++ लिख दिया मतलब C++ है अब बको तो फिर कुछ एक जनता थी मतलब they were shouting their point कि हाँ C++ ये वो कंपू लैंग्वेज this that shit there was other people who said you know C के टॉपिक पे मतलब C को लेकर कुछ constellation पे चले गए थे random तो C++ मतलब जनता beyond the constellation ठीक है all that happened मतलब it's like nobody respects anybody else and you just have to shout what you're shouting उसके बाद एंड में वो D लिख दिया था आगे में कि अपना that's it and मैंने करेक्ट हो गया यार they will just stop you randomly inside the interview and they will change the topic and they expect you to kind of go along with that.
And it is advisable. I mean, अगर तुम लोग ये सोचो कि मैं नहीं चिल्लाऊंगा, अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, गलत कर रहे हो. सब मुझे ये चिल्लाओ.
जितना
हाँ, चिल्लाओ.
I mean, जितना शराबा दिखा सकते हो
जितना दिखा सकते हो. It's just for slumber GD. It won't work for transsociality. For transsociality, you actually have to put few very good points. हम लोग का topic था जन लोकपाल. So we actually had a very good debate on that, and it was quite fair. So अच्छे points बोलना उसमें and try to sound different and बस अच्छी तरह करना है.
It kind of depends on luck. It's very good if you have a very nice group with सब दिग्गज लोग, because in that case मतलब everyone understands each other and इज्जत से बात करोगे and you will kind of give everyone else their place and you will also have a place. Chances that you will get to a conclusion are a lot huger. Very important to get to a conclusion inside a GD if it is not a slums GD. ठीक है, मतलब it's seriously very important. बहुत critical होता है. Again, ITC they also give you that kind of a thing कि ठीक है, start off and they expect you to write down a conclusion by the end of the GD as a group. Now the thing is, सबके दिमाग में ये बात होती है कि नहीं I should look like the most important guy inside the GD. It's not necessary. What is necessary is that as a group you make it a success. Now you might be doing it like ठीक है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, मैं देखा कि भैया अपने साथ बोल ही नहीं रहे, तो फिर मैं बीच में रुक के बोल दूंगा कि यार आप कुछ बोल भी लो कि why don't you comment on X topic. So then they would feel extremely happy that हाँ यार he's kind of involving everybody working as a team and they will select me because of that. So it could be absolutely anything. Just be a nice guy inside the room in a GD and actually work as a group, not as an individual. That's all.
ITC में GD बहुत मैटर करता है actually group as a group.
And it doesn't matter whether you're starting it or you're ending it. You should be giving some important points और जिस पे discussion हो रहा है later on. ऐसा ना हो कि तुमने एक point दिया है, group भूल ही गया उस point को. तो मतलब तुम्हारा कटा.
Like हम लोग के group में
That's
क्या
a
होता है?
really negative point.
हम लोग के ग्रुप में क्या होता है ITC के कि एक बंदे को बोला कंक्लूड करो. He started concluding. उसने एक पॉइंट बोला, अगला वाला बंदा उसका वहीं काटा कि बस तूने बोल दिया.
Actually, we were in the same GD. ये हुआ था कि हमारा जो conclusion था around 5 या 6 लोग group conclusion दिए थे.
एक बंदे को जो देना था
एक पॉइंट बोलता है, दूसरा काट के उसको बोलता है, तीसरा काट के उसको बोलता है. तो फाइनली ये हुआ कि बहुत रैंडम हो गया, तो उसने खुद ही बोल दिया था कि एक पर्सन को बोल दिया डीपी अंकित को यू गिव दिस. फाइनली ही गॉट सिलेक्टेड ओनली फॉर दैट.
हाँ अरे यार ITC that topic is also supposed to be such that मतलब तुम लड़ी लोगे अंदर इशू ही ऐसा देते हैं तुम्हें, ठीक है. They'll say that हाँ ठीक है हॉस्पिटल है, हॉस्पिटल में कोई मर गया तो अब जो मरा उसकी गलती है, उसकी बीवी की गलती है कि हॉस्पिटल इंचार्ज की गलती है, नर्स की गलती है, गवर्नमेंट की गलती है या फिर रास्ते के and then they will say rank it in order 1 to 7 कि किसकी गलती है किस ऑर्डर में और क्यों. तो then पीटो लेंगे यार एक दूसरे को inside. So if you talk to your group beforehand and kind of have an understanding कि भैया इज्जत से रहेंगे तो then it
it's actually necessary. कोई भी ग्रुप बन रहा हो तुम 5 मिनट पहले ग्रुप से मिल लेते हो, talk before.
And पक्का ये होगा कि मतलब if you are a 5th year which you I guess some of you will be next year जो भी है, तो in that case तुम juniors के साथ बैठ के दे रहे हो, chances are कि तुम आधे से ज़्यादा junior पहचानते नहीं हो जो साथ में बैठे, right? तो बकर हो सकती है inside. So it's a lot better to kind of set ground rules outside and say that देख भाई बोल रहा हूँ तो बोलने दे, तू बोल रहा है मैं बोलने दे रहा हूँ, खत्म करते हैं, एक एंड करना है ठीक है और थोड़ी इज्जत बचा के निकलते हैं and then peace हो जाएगा. It's very critical in a GD because if your group is crap, my ITC group was big time crap, then your chances are kind of zero, you are out there and then. So always concentrate on the fact that you have a good rapport with your group and you achieve a conclusion. That's all.
Same applies for Barclays also. They're having pretty good method of taking the GDs. They first have case study and GD. First GD and next will be your case study. So I mean the group will be very small, like 4 to 5 people. So I mean don't be crowdy over there. Be as much frank and अच्छे points तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, and दूसरे का मत काट. और Barclays में होगा even at one table there will be 2 individuals. So I mean 4 people, there will be 2 people to check it. So even if you're writing some points on rough notes, he'll be noticing that. He will be really seeing your point what are you writing. So जितनी कम लड़ाई करो उतनी करो and talk to the group before that. कि तुम एक दूसरे का नहीं काटोगे, तुम एक दूसरे को जो पॉइंट अगर किसी ने दिया उस पर डिस्कशन भी करोगे, ये भी डिस्कस करोगे. और बार्कलेज में ये होगा, अगर तुमने डिस्कस नहीं किया ना तो बाद में तुमसे लोग पूछ लेगा कि व्हाई हैवंट यू डिस्कस ऑन दिस, शुरू किया था तुमने, डिस्कस नहीं किया, तो वो बोल सकता है कि फिर से डिस्कस करो।
What are the GD topics in ZS?
Yes, I think the topics were pretty straightforward. FDI investment area,
Common topic.
और इंडिया में think about this.
the normal topic which you can talk about. If you follow daily news, you will be talking about it easy.
And you can Google out some topics there.
अरे FDI जन लोकपाल ये सब तो कर ही देना।
थोड़ा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लो यार।
Actually, current affairs
Closer to
के ऊपर थोड़ा
placements,
आता है।
2 महीना पहले से न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते रहो, because पक्का कुछ ना कुछ वैसा टॉपिक तो आता ही
आ
है।
ही जाता है कुछ ना कुछ।
And even if you don't know the topic, like
लोग आए थे
I knew about foreign direct investment, but I didn't know that it was short for FDI. I mean, it was a long form of FDI. So I didn't understand what is FDI. I was clueless. After people started talking, I understood that FDI is this.
Good job.
Same kind of thing
You can easily do
happened.
that.
Yeah. I learned some things like FDI is like investment in India, so we can do some things. Like it will be good for the people, many choices. And you will get a point right then and there.
अरे जीडी में किसी एक को अगर फंडा हो तो उससे फंडा कलेक्ट करके अपने पॉइंट चालू करो।
हाँ।
हम लोग तो यही करे थे।
अगर टॉपिक के बारे में फंडा नहीं है तो जस्ट शट अप
एक को बोलने दो।
मतलब इट्स
हाँ, एक
समथिंग
को
टू शट
बोला था,
अप।
सुन के
चालू
आइडिया
हो
लेके
जाओ।
फिर दूसरा पॉइंट बोल दो।
Unless you have complete funda about the topic, don't start. That's the, if you start, you should be really giving really good points. Unless you give really good points, it makes no sense starting.
In fact, I'd say here, like the example of DP Ankit, the guy yesterday. I was in 2 GDs with him, Transocean and ITC. In Transocean he started as well as in ITC he started. And in Transocean he was just doing one thing. He was just directing the entire group. Or I'd say, कुछ नया फंडा नहीं दिया था, but तो सब कुछ मैनेज करता somehow. He was in charge of the group somehow. ऐसा बन गया था starting में. That helped him ITC में ही वही हुआ था. और दोनों बार उसने क्लियर करा था. मतलब in Transocean उसने कुछ अलग पॉइंट नहीं बोला था, but he managed. He was through. So that is something that you can all do. कि कोई डायरेक्शन दो, आई मीन जो भी लोगों को ट्राई करना ऑफ कोर्स, एक डायरेक्शन दो उसको, एक सही दिशा में ले जाओ, कुछ कंक्लूजन पहुंचाओ, दिस थिंग्स आर।
हाँ मतलब फॉर
और केस स्टडी के साथ जीडीवी विंगमेट्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस करो या ग्रुप बना के।
हाँ एक थोड़ा रीड
Close
कर
friends.
लेना।
हाँ, अगर
GD
GD
practice is
पहले
very
नहीं किया
important.
तुम लोगों ने, then it's better to practice.
एक कोट बहुत relevant है so far as starting GD is concerned कि it's better to shut your mouth and let people wonder if you're a fool than to open your mouth and clear their doubts. ठीक है? ये थोड़ा ध्यान रखना अच्छे से।
And unless you get pucker topics like blues, and all, don't try to kata other different authors. Unless you get pucker topics.
Like always raising conflict won't help. Like you can support some points as well. Like that is also an important part. And you can add to those points.
एनआई में भी ऐसे ही हुआ था, मसाला पराठा, आलू पराठा, कुछ आर्बिट टॉपिक दिया था. So
मसाला परोठा।
I think it was masala dosa and aloo paratha. I got them mixed up. So that was the topic. If you get those topics, obviously people will making it a fish market. And that's good because nobody will be talking about anything which makes sense. So even you have to shout about things in those sort of CDs. But when the topic is really good, you have to raise good points, or you have to conduct your GD, do something which is constructive.
Before the placement session, if the placement session starts, you should work with your CV first. Just that if you are interested in Cap 1, just contact whoever got placed in Cap 1 last year and just forward your CV and ask suggestions about how to change it, how to. And for every company, you should ask the seniors because they are the best one who got selected. They can work with your CV and do that.
अबे और प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस के पहले पीस मारना थोड़ा कम करो, मतलब हम बहुत मारे थे फंडा।
तुम भी मारोगे।
फंडा ये है, हाँ, तुम भी मारोगे, बट बात ये है कि make your CV 2 months before and get 10 alums to review it.
And
Don't compromise on this whatsoever. Definitely get it done. Print out your CV, look at it कि ढंग से सब कुछ दिख रहा है कि नहीं. Is it legible? If somebody is seeing it, does it look pleasing to the eyes or does it look like crap? It is very important to know this because अगर ये काम तुम नहीं करोगे तो interviewer finally printed copy देखेगा and it will look like crap to him and you will also look like crap, so he'll throw it. Remember that you are representing yourself fully on that one sheet of paper, and he's never going to see you unless he decides that that paper looks cool. So it's kind of the most important thing in the entire process. CV पे बहुत ध्यान दो. हम लोग मतलब मेरा तो ऐसा था कि मतलब बहुत पीसफुली कुछ भी बना के भेज दिया था CV, and it was like ठीक है, there was some matter in there, तो इसलिए थोड़ा पीस हो रहा था, but in general my CV itself was not aesthetically pleasing at all. ठीक है, तो जब day 1 का आई थिंक मेरा कुल मिला के खाली 3 शॉर्टलिस्ट था, जिसमें मेरे को पता था कि ITC कटना ही है, स्लम्स ट्रांसफर में फिर भी थोड़ा सा होप था. ठीक है, तो इट्स इसेंशियली लाइक इफ यू डोंट वांट टू पुट योरसेल्फ इन दैट पोजीशन कि हाँ डे 8 वाली कंपनी में अप्लाई करना पड़ जा रहा है, तो इन दैट केस जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन मेकिंग योरसेल्फ लुक ऑसम, मेक द CV लुक ऑसम, गेट अ मिनिमम. मतलब तुम्हें लग रहा है कि मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ इस वक्त, बिकॉज मेरे को भी लगा था लास्ट ईयर कि 10 एलम से करवाओ ही करवाओ यार, बिकॉज दे विल ऑल हैव डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, बट दे विल ऑल इम्प्रूव इट इन सम वे. देयर माइट बी सम ऑफ यू जो कि मतलब है लोअर सकती है, कुछ काम नहीं किया है, खाली DC में एडमिन बन के बैठा है, मतलब देयर कुड बी समबडी इन द रूम हु इज लाइक दैट. ठीक है, डोंट लूज होप. आई नो समबडी हु आंसर्स एग्जैक्टली दिस डिस्क्रिप्शन. मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, एंड वी मेड हिम लुक प्रीटी कूल ऑन हिज CV. आई मीन एज कम्पेयर टू उसने क्या किया था, वो लिटरली खाली बैठ के DC पे रहता है, कुछ भी नहीं करता, गजब डाउनलोड करता है. ठीक है, बट वी मेड दैट गाय लुक ओके. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू मेक योरसेल्फ लुक ओके, बिकॉज अदरवाइज शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं आएगा. ठीक है.
And for shortlisting, the invigilators or whatever the person are doing that, they'll check your CV only for like maximum 30 seconds, I guess, for the first round of shortlist. And after that, like 400 people applied, they shortlist 100 people, and among them 20 people will be selected for interviews. So पहला जो होगा that will be only for 30 seconds. So you can imagine 30 seconds में वो क्या चीज़ देखेगा,
अरे उन लोग
और
बस
क्या तुम
कुछ-
दिखाना चाहते हो उस टाइम.
उन लोग बस कुछ एक्चुअली खड़गपुर में ऐसा है, देयर इज एन एलम, उन लोगों का सिर्फ गिनी चुनी फील्ड्स होती हैं, वो उस चीज़ के साथ वेटेज देते हैं. CG हो गया, एक कोर टीम हो गया, इंट्रा-आईटी हो गया, जिमखाना PR हो गया, इस टाइप से उनका फिक्स है जो भी आती है कंपनीज मोरलेस, उसके हिसाब से वेटेज देते हैं. काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा होता है. तो अगर उन्हें कुछ अलग दिख जाता है तभी वो थोड़ा टाइम और देंगे, 30 सेकंड का 45 सेकंड्स करेंगे, तो ज़्यादा नहीं करेगा. नहीं तो इस बेसिस पे सारा शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं वो लोग.
और एक कंफ्यूजन होती है कि the CV should be 2 pages or 1 page.
It's better than
It's better to be 1 page.
Just
मेरा भी
stick
सारा.
to a thumb rule 1 page.
Code
अगर तुम में से कोई
हाँ, दो
इतना भी
अगर
बहुत
दो
ज़्यादा
जितना
study
हो रहा है तो
नहीं
कर ही
है
लो,
मेरा
of course.
इतना, तो then I mean if you're like too freaking good, you've done too many things, मतलब कुछ तुम करके कुछ भी करके एक पेज में भर ही नहीं सकते हो, तो 2 ले जाओ. ठीक है, एंड गजब रैंडम मतलब 1 पेज एंड यू नो 1/3 पेज ऐसा कुछ होगा तो फिर
वो तो मत ही करना.
कट लो यार. छोड़ दो, just काटो that much and make it 1 page. Do whatever. That's why I'm saying get it reviewed, because whenever you give it to an alum, तुम पहली गाली इसका ही खाओगे कि यार इतना लंबा क्यों लिख दिया इसका, तुम्हारा पॉइंट एक लाइन में खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रहा. मतलब बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है. I can see a lot of white space inside the CV. Why you letting me do that? मतलब why have you used so many colors inside the CV? मतलब different shades use कर रहे हो, वो क्यों हो रहा है, तुम्हारा नाम क्लियर क्यों नहीं है. छोटी छोटी ऐसी इश्यूज होती है कि तुम्हें लगेगा बोल क्यों रहा है. बट द थिंग इज व्हेन आई एम गिविंग 20-30 seconds per CV, those issues become very critical. Unfortunately it's KGP. हर कंपनी में लाइक हमारे केस में 800 एप्लीकेशन गए थे, तुम्हारे केस में 1000 रहेंगे. तो अब लोड ये है कि इफ़ यू आर एन HR guy, you need to check that overnight यार. It's just too irritating. These are all guys, you know that you can recruit any one of them and PC होगा. So in the end you are just going to take the decision not very rationally. So just ensure that you can help him out to choose you to the max extent possible. CV got बनाओ.
And most of the companies shortlist the CVs when they are
हाँ,
on the way to
Calcutta जो है वो
Calcutta.
कैल से यहाँ आते हुए कार में शॉर्टलिस्ट
काफी companies कर देती
2
हैं.
घंटे.
Is it okay to have a colorful CV? I mean,
Colourful
it's
in what
compulsory to black and white or colorful?
Black and white.
Black and
Black
white.
and white. Excellent way.
Safe choice.
तू
कुछ
I tell you
yellow,
ना,
pink, green मत भरना है.
नहीं इवन तुम बना भी लो, बात ये होती है कि इन द एंड यू आर सबमिटिंग द सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ योर CV, राइट.
तो वो print out
छाप
लेंगे
रहा
तो
है,
black and white में
वो
लेंगे,
हाँ
उसको लेंगे,
ब्लैक एंड
black
व्हाइट
and
प्रिंट
white
करेगा. तो whenever you do the printout, irrespective of whether you make it in color or not, when you are checking the printout yourself, you will check it in black and white. बिकॉज दैट्स व्हेन यू कम टू नो. मतलब कई बार अपन ये काम करते हैं कि हाँ सीपीआई वाले शेड्स यूज कर लिए बिकॉज अच्छे लगते हैं, यू नो, इट लुक्स वेरी कूल. फाइनली मैं छाप रहा हूँ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, साला पूरा गजब काला काला आ रहा है, एंड देन नथिंग लुक गुड. The whole point is you don't want that to happen because that chap is going to see the black and white version of it. So, मतलब print that and उसके
It's
साथ
advisable black and white.
हाँ stick to that.
Stick to that.
मतलब आरके वालों को कलर लगता ही है बट अपने लिए
आरके वाले बहुत कलर बनाए नहीं.
जरूरी भी है भाई. Anything else? और तो हो ही गया.
Any last questions?
one final.
Internships matter. The kind of internship. How does it matter?
How you sell the internship matters.
Yeah.
That's all.
Once you're shortlisted,
So,
how do you
matter
get it?
whether you've done your internship in a company or in university, it doesn't matter. I mean, how are you defending yourself, how you're presenting that, it matters.
For financial consultancy companies, doing an internship in core or doing an internship in finance?
Yeah, I have done all my internships in code, but I have highlighted the analytical and mathematical parts of it in the my CV. So you should analyze and make different CVs for different companies, what they want.
Opera is actually financial consulting. It consults most of the banks in US. So that way, I had no knowledge of finance and they never asked.
मतलब they know कि काम तो तुमसे करा ही लेंगे यार, तो then
But
they are
yeah.
more concerned about what kind of a guy you are as opposed to do you know.
Banks, DB, Nomura, उसके लिए.
So does doing in finance company in any way help?
Depends on which company you're applying. For Opera,
It
might
helps in
have-
one way that your interview will be on that. That is for sure.
If you are very strong in finance and you highlight your finance points, then you'll be asked about it.
जो कि मेरा आंसर
And you'll be able, you should be able to defend yourself. It's a great help if you are applying to banking sector like DB, Nomura, and those sort of companies.
And even some companies
How
like
much
Swiss.
does RBI
RBI.
I mean, मतलब depends on in the interview, it might
So
help.
it's not just the
But
names.
it might not help you in getting shortlisted. But it might not. It's not.
Because
There's
it's
no hard
not
copy.
completely technical, it is sort of.
We'll love it.
Because internship at RBI is not completely technical or mathematical analytical. It's so.
See, it's basically how you sell it. It's not
That's
what you
the-
did.
और
लिखना उसको
If
अच्छे
you
से
can defend what you have
लिखना
written
था।
in your CV, then it's okay. Have
ये
you
कुछ
done
फर्क
it
नहीं
or
पड़ता है
not?
कि you should have pretty good CV, like CV points, finance का कुछ knowledge होना चाहिए. Because Opera, FICO, EXL, financial main, और हम तीनों में से चारों में से किसी को कुछ नहीं है. We haven't done any single thing.
अरे इतना समझ ही गए होंगे
अभी भी नहीं आता.
अभी भी नहीं आता और इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि नहीं आता है और बोले कहाँ सिखाएंगे हम. Fine. What they are checking is whether you are ready to learn or not.
I think I understand what you're asking कि तू ये कहना चाह रहा है कि should I go ahead and get an intern right now in a financial company in order to get shortlisted for consulting firms, right? I interned with a startup, okay, I was still shortlisted. That's not the criteria at all. Whatever intern you do, I sold the startup intern, and that's a good thing about startup interns, you can sell them anyhow you want. So I sold it in a very relevant manner. कि ठीक है भाई, I worked with numbers, I crunched this, I crunched that, I did pricing, I did this, that. So I gave it a sort of a touching finance वाला aspect, which you can do. ठीक है, तो it completely depends. To answer your question, one final thing that I want to say is that your placement process at KGP is very taxing for the simple reason that most of it is very peer pressure driven. In terms of the fact that तुम्हारी यही फटी होती है कि मैं day one कैसे ना निकल जाऊँ, and each and every day that you don't get recruited is like a big slap in the face, okay? That's how it lands up happening. You don't plan for it that way. मतलब सबको लगता है कि हाँ भाई P से even day 5 हो रहा है तो कोई लोड नहीं है, संभाल लेंगे.
4-5 दिन होते हैं बहुत
बट
बेकार
हाँ
होते हैं.
उसमें तब के मर जाओगे, मतलब
Maybe
day
it's
1
true.
तुम्हें नींद ही नहीं आएगा. So the thing is, realize this कि at the मतलब placement process सब खत्म हो जाता है and March next year you are looking like this कि मतलब I don't care जिस भी कंपनी में भाड़ में जाए, मतलब कोई लोड नहीं है, खत्म हो गया. Those 5 days will be like you are being killed, but in the end it's very important to remember that life peace हो जाएगा. So ज़्यादा दिमाग उसमें नहीं लगाना और ज़्यादा लोड नहीं लेना कि यार क्या हो रहा है, अपन day 1 शॉर्टलिस्ट ही नहीं है, क्या करना है. पीस है, इट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. there are enough and more companies. If you want to get recruited, you're an IITian, for God's sake, you'll get recruited. ठीक है? So don't let it get to your head at any point of time. And which day you get shortlisted has no bearing on what kind of a guy you are. This is kind of very important to remember. It's a slightly different funda from interview funda as such, but it's kind of the most critical thing in the process.
For first 2 days or first 3 days, if you're going for an interview, never think that this is the only company you're sitting in. I mean, you'll have many good options after that, but at that time, do not think that this is the only company. You'll get psyched out in the interview. So cool होके जाओ एकदम and पूरा एकदम cool यार. जो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे देखा जाएगा ऐसा. तो मैं ऐसे गया था.
Contact will be there. No, you are just talking about it. In case you want to ask any questions personally.